welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food, and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day while intermittent fasting. I know this video is a little different from the recent videos I've made, but I really wanted to show you the benefits of intermittent fasting and 4 different meals that you can get ideas from if you choose to also intermittent fast. There's different kinds of intermittent fasting, but one of the most popular is the 16-8 rule, which is the one that I typically do, which is you fast for 16 hours and then you eat within an 8-hour eating period. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast. I call it the Salvadorian avocado toast. It's French bread with a bean puree, or you can use low-fat refried beans. This is homemade, so it barely has any oil. While bread is toasting, I add just egg, but you can add whatever egg substitute you want or none. Toast until bread is a nice golden brown. Next I add homemade cashew crema, which you can get the recipe in the link above here. I add hemp seeds for extra protein and a complete amino profile, and then add about half an avocado and top with your vegan egg. And of course you can enjoy with café con leche made with oat milk. This meal is pretty high in fiber and protein, so it can keep you full for a while depending on your appetite. If not, you can make more. In between meals, I usually have a big bowl of fruit to hold me over. This is a good way to get your fruit in. So for starters, one of the benefits of intermittent fasting is that it prevents insulin resistance. What insulin resistance is when the cells in your fat and muscles and liver don't respond well to the insulin that's being created, so therefore your pancreas just overproduces it, and this is the leading cause in type 2 diabetes. So when you're fasting for 16 hours, you prevent your body from overproducing insulin, therefore it protects you against type 2 diabetes. Another cool benefit is that human growth hormones increase, and this helps burn fat and creates more muscle. Cellular repair also begins, so this means that it removes waste from the cells that are not needed, and it also helps promote weight loss because overall sometimes you're eating less calories. However, if you're eating tons and tons of calories within your 8-hour window, I mean, you're probably not going to lose weight. So you still want to choose conscious foods and drink water in between, but overall it's something pretty easy that you can get used to. So let's move on to the next meal. Now for dinner, I'm going to make one of my favorite foods, hummus, to accompany some leftovers I had. So first you want to drain the water from the chickpeas, but save the water because you can make aquafaba, which is like a whipped meringue, and you can use this to make desserts and cakes, vegan mayo, etc. Okay, back to the hummus. Add chickpeas to a blender, save a few chickpeas for garnish, add juice of 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt to taste, blend in a high-speed blender until it's nice and smooth. Then you'll just want to garnish with more olive oil, chickpeas, parsley, and paprika. And no, this is not the only thing I'm eating. I made myself a meze with pita, olive tapenade, served with leftover paella. This time for breakfast, I made a smoothie bowl, another super easy way to get a lot of fruit intake. Add frozen bananas, your favorite berries, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, with a little bit of your favorite plant-based milk of choice because you want this to be thick when you blend it. For toppings, I chose fresh mangoes, diced apples, almonds, pistachios, sesame seeds, and peanut butter for healthy fats and protein. Again, this is a high fiber meal, so this can keep you full for quite a bit. For dinner, I chose to make a loaded Latino salad with guacamole. First, you start by chopping some sweet potatoes to add fiber and complex carbs. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's baking, I'm going to prepare my guacamole. For more protein, I heated up this True Meats vegan burger with some vegan butter and vegan Worcestershire sauce. Add spinach, sweet potatoes, vegan meat, rice, beans, shredded carrots, guacamole, vegan crema, crushed tortilla chips, and enjoy. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned some interesting things about intermittent fasting, and if you're wanting to check out other things or where to eat vegan food, you can check it up at the link above here. So hope you guys like it. Bye!